Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Riley Misumurao, and we have study of cycle of refrigeration system. And we have compressor, condenser fan, expansion valve in the evaporator and evaporator fan. First, compressor motor is a device that convert electricity and energy into mechanical energy. And condenser is a device as component used to change the physical state of gases and substance to liquid state. And the fan motor capacitor provide the initial electricity that fan motor need to start shipping. And we have a state of matter that has the defined volume but no fixed system. And we have expansion valve. Expansion valve is a key component is the refrigerant or air condition system. And the last one in the evaporator. Evaporator is a heat exchange that plays a central role in the refrigerant and air condition system. And the fan, evaporator fan often fluid in refrigerant, freeze, and any conditioning system. We'll cycle and repeat again.